Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome to the Daily Show. Yes, I still have a bit of a froggy voice, guys. I'm still sick. Okay, but I did go to the doctor, so I feel like I'm getting a bit better. All right. But guys, welcome back to the Daily Show. We are here today to make a lot of money. I'm feeling good about making a lot of money today. So for all the people here that are ready to make money, put your seatbelts on and let's fucking go, yeah? Alright. So with that being said, we'll start a breakdown shortly. Who do we have? We got Mimi and Dan in the chat. Guys, welcome in. My two favorite people in the world. So all the guys that are currently coming in, hit that like button. Show some support and show some love before we start making some money, yeah? Now, guys, I've got a weird feeling we're going to get a good move coming up, right? I haven't done any chart breakdown. I'm actually, let me go to the daily. But I think I've got a feeling I'm going to have a winner trade today. I've got a weird feeling I'm going to make money today, right now on stream. So, yes, the daily time frame looks not so great. It looks a bit shit, but that does not mean I'm not going to make money on the lower time frame. So we're going to start breakdown shortly. But before we do, Augustin, hi again from Uruguay. Ah, we got you back. Nice. Good morning, bro. Good morning. Guys, I'm drinking my Superman water. With so much ice in there because it's so hot out. Oh, by the way, guys, I just came back. I had to go to the doctor again, but I also went to go view my new apartment, and let me tell you, I'm so excited, guys. It's so beautiful in the heart of the French Alps. It's beautiful, and I'll be honest, guys, it looks like I might be moving there this week. Okay, I got some things I need to do first, but I might be moving there on Friday and Saturday into the new place. So much bigger, so much more beautiful. Man, my office is going to look insane for streaming. I think that's a big reason also why I want it. But the location and everything is cool. Deep chart, telecam, time no see. Yeah, I'm back, bro. I'm back, and I'm back every single day now. So we're gonna be showing up at the good time every day. But anyways, let's get into it. Let's get into it, yeah. Oh, what happened here? Okay. Sweet. Okay. As you guys can see, look on the right of my screen. This is that 200k funded account still I'm currently trading. I'm just removing it so we got more screen to do some breakdown, right? So, let me check. Cool. Let's start some breakdown, guys. You need hand for the moving. Yeah, Mimi, please. Yeah, I need to. If you want to come help me carry some boxes, for sure, bro. I'll give you some signals in return. But anyways, let's get into it. Daily time frame looks absolutely horrible right now. Okay, I'm just looking at the current past few days. Like right now, looking at these current days we have just highlighted, price is just very slow, not much volume. Okay, if we look at yesterday's, I did think we were going to keep going higher yesterday, as I spoke about on stream. But we can see we have this area that price keeps kind of wicking into, pulling back. We came into it, we pull back. So right now, looking at today's daily candle, it's an indecision. Today's daily candle is a doji right now, so we are very indecisive. I'm zooming up big time now for you guys, alright? I'm zooming up. So today's daily candle, very indecisive. So what I'm going to do, okay, is I'm just going to mark off today's daily open. All right, let's label this bad boy. I don't know what the fuck. Daily open. One sec, guys. One sec. Give me a sec. I need to move that to the right and remove the price. Okay, cool. So here we got the daily open marked off. So if we're above the daily open, I'm going to most likely look for longs. If we're below, I'm going to look for shorts. Okay. Today's daily open did open. We kind of, yeah, we are very indecisive right now. We spiked lower, grabbed yesterday's lows. Looks like we had gotten back above the daily opening print. So if we can stay above the daily opening print, we might maybe want to go back higher. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get off the daily. I'm going to go to the 4 hourly. Alright. Alright. So 4 hourly. Yeah. Okay. 4 hourly, what we can see happen. So we obviously opened up this morning over here. We dropped, we sold off. We took all of this liquidity to the left. Right. We wicked all of this. We then flipped back bullish and then we went for a high. We closed above EMA. Okay. So the fact after the first 4 hourly of the day closed above EMA, the next 4 hourly took that high, pulled back. We came back into the daily opening print, and now price is trying to hold back above the daily opening print. Okay. We're very indecisive right now. I'm not set on a bias just as of yet, but understanding the daily time frames bullish, understanding that price looks as if it's trying to hold the daily opening print, we can maybe look to keep going higher. On the hourly, okay, see, this does look a bit better now. Okay, so the hourly, yeah, we obviously pulled all the way back into the daily opening print. Price is consolidating on that. So if we start closing back above the hourly EMA, that's when we can start looking for entries higher. So also, let's look at some market structure, right? This is very important. We put a low in over here, right? We put a nice low in over there. Here's a low. Higher highs, lower lows, lower. You know the vibe, right? So what is this? This is a potential what? Who can tell me in the chat right now what this is over here? A potential what? Potential higher. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on, guys. What is it? Double bottom? No. Upwards? No. Sweep? No. Guys, no. Higher low. Exactly. Crypto Gamble's got it. Right? Market structure, guys. If you understand direction and market structure, the edge becomes on your side, right? So we have we put in a low. This can be a potential higher low. It doesn't mean that it is one just yet. Now, how do we know if this is going to be one? Well, if we have a bullish closure above the EMA and the next candle breaks that high, that triggers the potential higher low. Okay. Another thing that I'm looking at for my OG traders, Daniel, Mimi, who else is in there? I don't know who else really knows, but inside bar, guys, this hourly candle is closing in 15 minutes. We can have a potential inside bar on the hourly forming right now, which means if we break that inside bar high, we might go for a new high, right? Like so. So with that being said, I would like to see the buys. But because we're in a bit of a range right now on the hourly of this daily opening print, I need to just be a bit more careful. But I would like to see the longs. Also, if we're looking here, obviously I don't trade patterns much, but I do know that they work in a way. We also have an inverted head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So it's just another little confluence that I have going on in my brain here. Okay, but anyways, we don't care about that. We want to keep it simple. Fuck all of that information. Okay, let's just focus on the strategy and the simplicity behind the strategy. So the daily opening print, kabish kabam, cool, it's on. Price is above it right now. We need to break above that hourly EMA over here, boom, after, and triggering a potential higher low, right? And then we can look to maybe continue along higher. So next, key levels, right? Where do we have any key levels sitting on here? Yes, we have a beautiful key level sitting over here, right to the left. This is where that seller came in, price sold off, price came back up to that seller was like, hey, no, I want to go lower, we sold off again. So we have a big seller up here that price keeps selling off from. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change this daily opening print to a dashed line, so we know that. And then I'm going to mark this as an H1 key level, okay, just so you guys know. H1 level, right? We know my levels are, you know, I love my levels and I preach about them a lot, and they make me a lot of money. Now with the levels, for the guys that don't know, you can use them to enter off of or target into. Okay, right, okay, so cool. We have a nice H1 level. So if we do close above the EMA, I have a target now, right? So I can look to maybe trade the EMA into this H1 level, okay, which is a target. So at least I now have a target. I'm not just fucking gonna buy into no man's land, right? I know where a good area will be to exit that trade. Cool. So hourly right now still playing. Looks like we might get an inside bar. Okay, we still got 15 minutes of that hourly. 30 minutes. Okay, wow, look here now, right? Look here. 30 minutes, we can see we had this hourly, this 30-minute inside bar over here. Price broke that high, and now we're pushing above the opening print. So yeah, if this 30-minute, like I said, can close above opening print with that hourly, that's going to kind of really trigger me into looking for a buy position, right? So far, 30-minute looking good as well for longs if we can continue holding and closing above the EMA and the daily opening print. $15 is where I'm going to stay. I will not go to the 5-minute just as of yet. I need to remember, I need to just wait for that 30-minute and the hourly to close first, alright? And let this 15-minute close. But yeah, if we can get the closure back above opening print, looks like we might get it. I will look entry off an inside bar, okay, to scalp a buy. Fuck, it does look promising though, huh? To long this right now. I do think that this is a really good potential lower high though. I think it will trigger into a long. So, with that being said, I'm gonna wait very patiently, and so should you guys. There's no rush for anything right now. Guys, I am really sorry if my voice is a bit messed up right now. I'm very sick. I've got a bit of a lung infection. I got sick while being on holiday in Ibiza, guys. So, yeah. Anyways, mustache looks nice on you. Looks like a Mexican Texan vibe. Yeah, man. I'm rocking the mustache now. Oh, okay. So, if you guys missed the breakdown, just go back 10 minutes. You'll watch me break everything down, alright? But don't ever tell me, right? Don't you guys ever tell me that you don't understand. I'm explaining the strategy every single day, live, in front of all of you guys, right? I'm teaching it basically for free every single day. You guys get so much information for free, and it's so simple. You can teach your grandmother to trade, okay? I promise you. My grandmother can probably trade this EMA strategy. And the reason it's so good, well, actually no, the reason it works so well is because it's so simple. And a lot of you guys are sort of realizing that the simpler your trading is, the more money you can make. But you look weaker due to signals. Get well. Yeah, I am quite sick. But like I said yesterday, just because I'm sick, I'm not going to stop making money. I love money. Let's just be honest, right? Yes, we trade because we want the freedom, but let's just be really honest. We fucking love money, right? We love it. If you don't love money, you're not going to be putting yourself through this really difficult career that we're all trying to master, you know. EMA 2026. Mimi, what you talking about, bro? Oh, Daniel, how does the strategy work? Fuck. You know what? It's a very good question. You need to go watch my previous streams. Dan, you actually took some very good trades, by the way. I saw on the Discord. You took let me have a look quickly. Sorry, I was out and about now when you sent those trades, so I didn't really have a proper look at. But I saw that this morning. Yeah, I saw the one you took this morning, the beautiful short. That was a beautiful trade. Congrats on your third payout now. Unbelievable. That's 1,500. That's crazy, Dan. So you started 8. That's mad. So Dan, basically in 2 weeks you made $1,500 off your personal account. That's unbelievable. Nice work. And then you took that inside bar buy, crazy trade as well. Wow, above the daily opening print. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Mimi, I hope you're getting ready for our private call after, because I'm waiting for joke of the day, dude. Me and Daniel are both waiting for it, so I hope you're cooking a good joke up there, man. Joke of the day is today, every day, remember. Alright, so guys, we got 8 minutes left for this hourly to close. Let's see. What do you mean I look sick, by the way? Deep charts. Do I look horrible? I thought I looked quite fresh today, actually. Alright guys, okay, listen, there's 40 of you beautiful people in the stream. Why is there only 5 likes? Like, I don't get it. You come here, you want to watch me stream, you want to learn from me. Do you not like me or something? 5 likes, man. Or you're just using me for the signal. It's okay. I don't blame you. Like, it's okay. Oh yeah, Mimi, please, man. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Alright, now the likes are going. Do I need to make you feel bad, guys, to like the stream? Okay. Do I need, because I can make you guys feel so shit right now. I'm joking. No, but seriously, guys, I only ask, you know, when you guys come in stream and you give the video a like, it just it motivates me to keep showing up every day, because I see that you guys are enjoying the show, right? Yeah, crypto gambles. Also, just to message your friends and tell your friends and family to come like it as well. You know. Apparently, if you like the stream every day, you get like a 1 year of good luck or something crazy. I heard. All right, guys. 5 minutes left. What's the hourly looking like? Hourly rejecting that EMA stall. We spiked into it. We're pulling back. I don't know, man. I think we're gonna buy. But ooh, hold on. Actually, yeah, I need to be patient. I need to be patient. Look at this now. Remember what I spoke about market structure? Fuck, guys, when I was in Ibiza, this buy, I can't believe I missed that. This is crazy. Absolutely wild. That's the craziest thing that's happened for a very long time. I won't lie, I feel like I want to make $1,000 today, man. I lost 800 yesterday. I need to make 1,000. Can we expect some giveaways next stream once you get okay? Long time no giveaway for future accounts. About the giveaways, there was apparently some issues with people doing giveaways. I don't know. Probably, I don't know. But guys, we are going to be I am going to be doing something this week with Michelle Rossi, actually. You guys don't want to miss it. Listen, I don't know if I can say yet what it is, but you will find out very, very, very soon. But me and Michelle Rossi are going to trade live together. I don't know if it's going to be tomorrow or Thursday, but we're going to be trading live together. And trust me when I say this, you guys don't want to miss it. We're going to, there's gonna be something happening between me and him on stream, so you don't want to miss it. Okay, it's going to be crazy. Actually, I don't even know what the fuck to expect from it, but it's going to be interesting. It's going to be my first time me doing something like that. So yeah, we're gonna see. I'll let you guys know when we do it. All right. Have a look on the 4 hourly. All right, Dan, don't shout at me. Dan, tell me what you're seeing on the 4 hourly, brother, so I can understand a bit more. Oh. Okay. Yeah. I see what you're talking about, Dan. I see what you're talking about. I know exactly. I don't want to say it, but I see what you're talking about. If we start getting back under this daily opening print, guys, I might need to switch to short, huh? I might need to switch to short. My bias today, I don't really have one. I don't really have a bias just yet. Price can drop from here and it can go up. It depends. Price can drop from here. We had the big 4 hourly inside bar to the left over here. We had a huge 4 hourly inside bar to the left over here. Price broke beneath those lows. We came back up to that H1 level. Now we're back under that EMA. So if we get back under this opening print, we might sell off. Also, look to the left. We got a high, we got a lower high as well. Price can maybe drop. I need to just wait and react. Okay, here we go, guys. We have a 15-minute inside bar now and an hourly inside bar. That 30-minute is above the EMA. Man, I don't know. I'm going to react. So I'm going to trade whatever it does. Because if we can break under this inside bars low on the 15-minute, I might short it. Sorry, I'm just very focused. I'm just trying to think. I don't know. I just don't like the fact we're above the EMA though on the 15-minute. It's just the only thing. What's the 5 minutes say? Ooh, okay, yeah. 5-minute gives a better risk to reward though. So yeah, I'm gonna probably short this, guys. I'm gonna short this. So we have, oh, there we go.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in a short now. So take this trade at your own risk, please, guys. I can be wrong. I am. I'll explain it now. Just give me a second. Give me a second. Very good risk though. $500 though. $500 risk. It's good. I'm happy with that. Come down into these lows. That is a 1 to 3 risk to reward actually. That's a good trade if I can hit it. So now the reason I've gone in, we broke that 15-minute inside bar, right? We have a failed 5-minute inside bar. Price swept the high, then we broke those lows. So that's what I'm getting in this. The 4 hourly is actually beneath the EMA. Let's see. So guys, take this trade at your own risk, please. All right. That's all I'm gonna say. I can be wrong. We're beneath that. We're trying to break beneath that daily opening print as well. I'm probably going to manage this trade as well, huh? I might, oh, that's a $1,300 trade. Yeah, I might manage this trade as well, guys. I'm going to see. So let's see. Yeah, take this at your own risk, guys. So all I'm going to say, I can be wrong. If you see what I'm seeing and you believe in it and you want to risk it, then go for it. I need this 5-minute candle to close beneath this EMA now. I just needed to close back beneath. Don't fucking hold it. This is the type of trade, guys, that I'll most likely cut my loss early and give myself a second if we start breaking above this high. So I don't want to see price get it back above this 5-minute high, which means that EMA is going to hold. So I'm going to move my stop loss just above this 5-minute, which is making this like, oh yeah, 1 to 3 risk to reward. Risking the biscuit, exactly. There we go, closure beneath that EMA. Let's hope we don't close back above. It's the only thing. Here we go. Come on, come on, come on. No, what the fuck, man? What is that rejection? Johnny, yo, what do you mean, bro? What do you mean, bro? Yeah, Dan, that's why I say that we start closing back above this EMA, I'm going to probably manage my trade. What do you mean, bro? I don't know what you're talking about, Johnny. It's a 5. This is on a 5-minute right now. 5-minute time frame. Oh, yeah, Johnny, it's cool. But when you said TF, I thought you were like, the fuck. So when you were like, what TF is this? I thought you meant, what the fuck is this? That's cool, it's cool, it's cool. Sorry, bro. You should, if you put that in like capital letters, I would have known what you meant. I've been trading for, you know, everyone I love asking me this question. I've been trading for about 8 years now. 8. About 8 years. Damn, guys, this reaction is something I did not want to see, man. That's a huge wick coming below this back above. Huh? I might exit full position, guys. I'm gonna, you know what I mean? I'll give myself another shot. I might not. I'm gonna be patient. I'm not gonna do it just yet. I'm gonna give it some time to breathe a bit more. But if we start having big green candle closures back above this EMA, I'm gonna maybe manage my position, because if I exit my position and cut my loss earlier, at least it gives me another chance to take another trade. You know, risk management is like my biggest thing. I just need to be honest with myself and that setup. Like, is it worth holding it or not? So if we stay beneath the daily opening print, right? If we stay beneath the EMA, right, I'll keep holding it. But if we start closing back above, I might exit that full trade. And that's okay, guys. It can happen sometimes. That's a lot, bro. Oh. Wait for the... Yeah, guys, listen. Don't tell me what to do, what not to do, okay? I know you're trying to help. I hate it when you guys do that. Let me just trade my system. Let me do what I got to do, right? Yeah, it's not looking good. Okay, there we are. Let's see if we can close hold below. I always got this, Troy. I always got it, bro. It's all cool, man. It's cool. Don't say sorry. You don't need to say sorry for anything. You haven't done anything wrong. Please know that. You've done nothing wrong. I love you guys so much and everything for being here. It's just when I'm trading my system and I'm trading my strategy, I'm very profitable at it already. So when I have viewers come on and tell me do this, do that, I'm just like, stop trying to get in my head here. Do you know what I mean? Like, because I'm human too. So yeah. Yo, come on. I just took my first ever payout, been trading since April, so I can't know how to do it. No, like, listen, you guys, not even I can tell someone how to do it. I'll never tell you how to do it, right? Because everyone does it different. You know, I have guys in here that trade the same strategy as me, right? And they trade the strategy just as good as I trade it, sometimes maybe even better, right? But then some of you guys tweak it and you add other things in, right? I'll not tell you how to do it. Just as long as you're comfortable, as long as you're confident, as long as you're happy, that's all that matters. That's literally all that matters. You need to make trading fun for yourself. You need to make it something that you know what I mean? Make it something for you. Don't listen to what other people are fucking telling you all the time. There's nothing worse when there's people coming on here and telling me like, oh, fair value gap, oh, blah, blah, blah. Like, shut up, please. I don't care. I really don't care. You're not going to convince me anything, you know. I mean, I appreciate people trying to help and stuff, like, obviously, but how's South Africa compared to Europe? Very different. They both have their pros and they both have their cons. Guys, oh my god, check this, another wick rejection. Let's see. If this 5 minute has an inside bar and it breaks lower, that can be a good thing for this to keep dropping. How South Africa compared to Europe? Sorry, getting back to your question. It's very different. I mean, you can't compare it. South Africa's, I think, is a lot more beautiful than Europe. Some parts of Europe are very beautiful as well. Europe, I don't know. Where I live in Europe, it's beautiful. Like, I'm so happy where I live. I'll choose this place over South Africa. It's obviously more expensive to live here. But then again, if you're living in Europe, you're making more money than South Africa anyway. So, yeah. I know the FVG is horrible now, but again, if people like to trade it, they must trade it. Oh, Troy, that's interesting. I lived. Are you talking about Simonstown in South Africa, in Cape Town? Because I used to live literally near Simonstown as well. I grew up there in Cape Town, and then now I'm living in France as well. Yo, me and your mom have a lot in common, dude. I'm joking. I'm engaged. I'm joking. I'm getting married. I'm joking. But that's cool. That's really cool. I love France as well. Some parts not really. It'll drop lower. Check it. Oh, crypto, bro. I'm pretty sure it'll drop lower. Are you from Europe? I'm from Cape Town, South Africa, but I live in Europe. Yeah. Go to Asia. I've been there. Asia's cool, but I don't want to live there. Fuck that. Listen, when I'm living in Asia, I'll be honest, man. I don't have the drive. I don't have the motivation to want to make a lot of money, because when I'm there, I feel so rich because it's so fucking cheap. When I'm living in Europe, I'm constantly like trying to make money, so it makes me want to do better living in Europe. It's like a whole mindset thing. There you go, guys. 5-minute inside bar, break lower. Boom. Let's see if this trade can continue. So far, so good. What gets me really going is Cam's wiggly worm. That is the fucking weirdest shit, bro, Dan, you have ever said. Alright? That's the weirdest shit you've ever said on the streams. Where in Asia you went to? I went to Bali for 2 months. I went to Singapore, but I don't know if that's really Asia. I don't know. Guys, see, that's not good what just happened. That's not what you want to see. If this candle closes back above, my bro, I might have to exit this trade, huh? I'm going to bring my stop down just in case this thing rockets, because that's a sign that this might want to keep going up. Yeah, alright, yeah. This is not the type of rejection that I wanted to see. Yeah, I'm closing. Guys, I'm getting out. I close that position. I won't lie, I want a long. After that, I want long. Like, I'm gonna react to this right now. That's not what you wanted to see. When an inside bar fails, it breaks the low, and then it goes and fucking breaks the high after above the opening print. That's not a good thing. Like, this might continue higher, like, really. So guys, I manage my risk superbly, very well, I think. Where's the day in the life vlogs? They're coming. But listen, I've just got back from my holiday, alright? Guys, if I enter another trade, I'm going to size down, okay? I'm not going to go in with the same amount because I've already taken I've took a very small loss. My account is $8,000 in profit right now. So if I do take another trade, I'm gonna just size down, and I'm gonna try. Let's see. I mean, I don't know. I'm gonna try long, guys. That going long was my original plan.
Order filled.
Let's see. I've gone in 10 micros as well. I said I want to only risk $500 today on stream, so I've lost 300. I'm risking another 300, so this is going to be my last trade to take live. So let's see. But the reason I'm going in for this trade, guys, is because I did say originally that I would like to see the buys. The reason I went short was based off that 5-minute inside bar break. So yeah, I'm going to, it's a risk I'm willing to take right now. And then I did say we had that H1 level up here that we can maybe potentially buy into. That's like a 1 to 4 risk to reward. That's really far away, but who knows? Let's see. The sellers keep testing this level as well up there, so and don't come and tell me I'm revenge trading, because I'm really not, man. I'm really not. The buy was my original plan, and the fact I got a trigger to buy off that crazy rejection, that's kind of my reason just for going in again. All right. Oh. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. There we go, chat. Fuck, now I wish I went in with more size. Alright, alright, alright. So yeah, at least I was right on my original plan. That's the most important thing. Price obviously came into the EMA. We had the closure back above EMA over here off that 5 minutes. We had the daily opening print. We broke. Oh my fuck, guys, what the fuck is that pump, dude? And then my entry was the break of that 5 minute candle high. Jesus. Guys, did anybody else get in the same long as me? Guys, I won't lie, I won't lie. That's like W risk management today that I've done. I went in, I cut my loss early because I knew price was going to go higher. If I kept my stop loss in, guys, I would have lost $600. So I cut my loss early, saved myself, gave myself another opportunity to enter a trade. Boom. I got in on my original plan. I'm happy. That's a W. I'm telling you right now, that's a fucking W. Like, that's what I call fucking proper trading right there. Nice, nice. Forex, crypto. Yeah, we're gonna come for this egg. Guys, I'm gonna hold this to a 1 to 4. I'll be honest. I'm gonna hold this trade. How much will I make if it hits my target? $1,300, which means I will make my loss back plus $1,000, bro. Damn, nice, bro. Same short, same long. Yeah, nice, nice, nice. It's all about risk management. Exactly. It's exactly what I spoke about yesterday. It's all about the risk management. Jesus, Dan, come on. We're making money, brother. We're making money, bro. We can take our money and we can take Mimi to Ibiza, dude. I'm sure Mimi would love to go to Ibiza. Like you said yesterday. Guys, that's a crazy trade, huh? What I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to close off, guys, 50% of my position right now.
Order fill.
Boom, lovely. So I've made my loss back, and I'm going to go break even on this trade. There we go. I'm managing my risk. Managing my risk. So I've closed 50% of my position, guys. I've made my loss back. So I'm up $50 for the day. And I have $400 currently running. And then if I hit TP, I'll make $700 for the day. I'm fucking happy with this. Fucking happy. W risk management, man. I took a trade in pizza. That's actually funny, dude. Jesus, I should have actually made a video of that. If you're in this trade, guys, manage your risk, yeah? Close your full position. Like, this is a crazy trade. Like, take 50% off. Go break even. Just don't let this fucking thing stop you out now, okay? Stay profitable, alright? Stay profitable. That's what I'm doing. I'm just trying to stay profitable as long as I can. Oh, you know what? Tato Shreds. Congrats, bro. I told you we're going to make money today in the beginning of the stream. I knew. I had this feeling. Daniel, nice, man. Absolutely beautiful account management there, bro. Big, and also that $500 payout. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Absolutely insane. The fact that, listen, coming back after a loss and then going BE for the day, that's a winner. At least you can go to bed tonight and know that you've got your money, your account's still fresh. Boom, boom, boom. What a fucking trade, guys. This is crazy. This is crazy. Yo. So, guys, for the guys that took this trade, that have made money, got a payout, passed the challenge, put your hands up in the chat right now. Who's taking this trade? Guys, we're coming for the H1 level. I told you. I told you. Here we come, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. We're going to smack it, dude. That's why I said, guys, if you keep your analysis so easy, you have your targets. Easy, man. Easy, easy. And listen, you guys know it's not often I will hold a trade to a 1 to 4 risk to reward. It's not often I do that. Okay, we have a few people coming in now saying that they won the trade. Every time this happens with me, as price is about to hit my TP, it pulls away every time, and then it's going to come back again later. It's one of the most annoying things. Yo, Mimi, beautiful. You took it at the break of the EMA at 70, at 770. Lovely, Mimi, beautiful, bro. Absolutely insane entry, man. Beautiful, beautiful. Listen, there's no other live streamer doing this out there at this, like, on the post London streams. I'm telling you right now. Oh, so that new 30-minute just opened up as well, guys. Yeah. So if we can get a break up, if this 5-minute candle, if we can trade back above it, we should continue higher. Theoretically, right? Just give me 1 second, guys. I just need to go just get some water because my throat's killing me. I'll be back in a sec. Alright. I'll be back in a sec. Alright, we back, guys. We back. Okay, so it looks like we might get a 5-minute inside bar. If we break that 5-minute inside bar low, I'm going to exit this trade, alright? Because that could trigger it to sell off. So it depends. If we break the low of this inside bar, I'm going to exit this trade. And I'll make $300, so I'll be happy with that. Okay, I need to put my risk, I need to put my account always first before my emotions. It's always the number one thing. Because my emotions are always the fucking opposite to what my account needs to. Like, my account is like, yeah, get out. But my emotions are like wanting the complete opposite every time. So I always make myself follow my account risk first before my emotions all the time. My emotions come second. But if my emotions are in sync, in line with my account risk, that's amazing. But it's not always like that. So I'm going to move my stop, guys. I'm going to trail my stop to 250. Yeah, so I'm putting my stop, guys, beneath this inside bar low. $300. Now, that's just because if this inside bar low breaks, I want to exit the trade. So I'm just going to put it there. Lock in $300, which means that this session together, I've made $350, which I'm really happy for. Not big risk, very low risk today, but hey, at least it's real money that I can withdraw. That's all that matters. No, I don't really add. Adding is something that, no, I don't add ever. Like, okay, I do sometimes, but not often. Not in this type of situation where I'm just relaxing, I'm just chilling, I'm just enjoying trading, you know. After my holiday, I'm just very focused on managing risk again, you know. That's like my big focus right now. Laffy, appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. Yeah, it's been a good trade. It has been a very good trade. I'm very satisfied with this trade. Sometimes the trade is so good that, or it played out so nicely that I don't care. I don't even care about the profits. Like $300 isn't a lot at all. But hey, $300 can buy my groceries for the next 2 weeks, you know. I'm happy with that. I can buy myself some really nice fucking steak and meat. Top quality Wagyu. Wagyu. Small day so far. Yeah, a big trade, but small profits. But I'm not done. Okay, there you go, guys. I'm out the trade. W trade. I am still doing I'm doing private live trading for the pre-New York session as well. So I'm going to be trading more on that time anyway. So yeah. Anyways, guys, To everybody that's been on the stream, how are you all? How are you doing? Facts, Daniel. Facts. Imagine every day $300, so it's a very good day. Exactly. Exactly. Nobody earns it with a 9-to-5 job. True. You're in a gold buy. Nice, nice. Green Day W. Okay, cool, man. Well, I'm glad everybody's made money this stream. Well, mostly everybody, or whatever. But that was a good session, I won't lie. I won't be taking any more trades right now. I've got a pre-New York session that's going to be coming up soon. So I'm going to have some lunch, have a chill time. But it's not your money until it's in your bank account. Yeah, tell them, Daniel. Yeah, Daniel trades personal account, so yeah, the money in his personal account is his money. It's all of his money. He's a real trader, Daniel. He's a real trader. Oh, Augustine, beautiful, bro. Congrats. I'm glad I could help you make some money today. What do I think of the each? What do you think to the Ishimoku indicate? I don't know what the fuck that is, dude. I've been trading for 8 years. I don't know what that is. It just shows like I don't like indicators, huh? It's just the EMA. I don't even know, guys, what an Ishimoku is. Right. Oh, Aussie Thug is also a personal account. Nice. Yeah. Very, very nice. Yeah, I'm going to trade some personal account today, hopefully. If I get a good trade. It's the cloud indicator. What is the cloud indicator, dude? I don't know. But anyways, guys, I love you all so much. Thank you so much for being here. Tomorrow we are going live at 10:30 Paris time. We have Michelle trading at 12. So tomorrow 10:30 Paris time is my session with you guys. We're going to be trading from 10:30 to 12 o'clock Paris time tomorrow. Let's see if we get anything. Let's see. But I love you all. Thank you so much for being here. Hit that subscribe button if you want to join my live daily show every day and make money with us and learn the skill of trading. Anyways, guys, peace and love. And for the guys that I'm going to be seeing later, see you. Cheers, guys.